think you're looking at the manner in which chess played, resulting to the direct balls, long balls. You have to jump head, you fall down, you get up. These things get you tired so easily. And they are very good aerially when the ball goes up. First ball, second balls, whether behind our defense or in front of our defense, they are always there, very aggressive to win the ball. So it made the game a little bit challenging in the middle of the park. But then we also try to play to our part and keep the ball, look for the spaces, try and then push them to their half. On a few occasions, I think we were able to split their defense, but we were in a rush to score. I remember that of Peter Kwampuku on several occasions. So it was a balanced game. That's what I would say, because somewhere along the line they also came into the picture and then tried to run us down with the long balls, running for the ball. So it was a very challenging game, but then at the end of the day, the important thing is that we won. We just have to pick our next match game by game. That's what I'll tell you. This is the next game, and then we'll get ready for it.
Coach no ana ebusa ne say na players bi won ma na omapra ebiti say abet amo Joseph Ablomo na omapra, but omobaye no yen sheda ewu omo actively say omo agina eye pitch so esi akan edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko eno ana coach Prosper na te Ogum to dwa say Ghana Premier League no a little bit physical. It's no player every injury ba kakra na ono so afa na yese bibia akonkan ediama nunti ana players no enya and start yentie openia efense Prosper na te Ogum.
Yeah, I mean, we try to build consistency, even though some of them are back in terms of the physical nature of the game. I'm sure they are not there. The Ghana Premier League is so physical, very athletic. So, when players are recovering, it's a gradual process. It's a progressive one. You don't rush them. So, even though they might be on the bench, but I think that physically they might not be there. The good thing is that when we bring them in, whatever instructions we give to them, they try to execute it. So it's good for us. We are just hoping that as the league unfolds, I mean, we'll be able to work on them. But then the nature of the shadows are that you play Sunday, Wednesday, Sunday. So if you are not careful too and you don't rest them well, they will go back to their former state, which is the injury state. So we just have to manage the situation. It's good they are back because it is giving us numbers and it is giving us depth. And again, it is putting those who are playing on their toes, because they know that if they don't do well, there are others on the bench who can come and play.
Oye ya to aso ebisa ne sam ba kumye no efa Albert Amoaho yentie esema coach no to dwa efi efa Albert Amoaho.
I think he's yet to come back fully in terms of his fitness. And still, I think I've said it over and over. If you look at him carefully, he's not the Albert that used to challenge for 50-50 balls and what have you. The fear of re-injury, I mean, is haunting him. I've been working on him. The last time I passed a comment on the phone to him when he tried to avoid a tackle. Not knowing, he kept that comment, and after the game he came to the dressing room and was making fun of me. I mean, whilst I was serious trying to, incite him to charge him to go into the game, he was rather making fun of me. So it's about his fitness is yet to get there, and two, the fear of re-injury. And I think when we've got into, it is also up to him to also make sure that he overcome it, and then that's it.
Oye no ye to aso bisa no say Adriana Jete na enya de only go no edema Kotoko o hebe bia brantie no efri eba ya one eye Patrick Kesiedu 1-2 amotimi edibo no eto net no expect go no enso efri Adriana ho ana.
Interestingly, maybe when you were seated, you didn't also see. I was the one who controlled the action that went there. If you remember, they delayed. They wanted to go for the long samba, everybody went in. And I realized it was 2v1. So I insisted that they play the 2v1. So they just, and fortunately, the way they stood, Patrick left-footed and Ryan right-footed. So we just gave it to him, did the overlap. Fortunately, too, for us, the Brekum Chelsea player didn't come, and then he had the shot. And because there were forests of bodies in front of the goalkeeper, he couldn't see the ball. So simply put, I never thought the goal would come from somebody like him, but that's the nature of the game. Sometimes where you don't expect the goals to come from, or where you don't expect creativity to come from for somebody to score, that's where it comes from. So I'm happy for him that he scored a goal for such a big club. Playing for Kotoko, as a defender and scoring in a very big game against Brekum Chelsea. I'm happy for him, and I'm hoping and believing that he will let this motivate him to do more. He shouldn't go back, but rather he should move forward, work harder, and create more opportunities, and if possible, score too.
Owie no obo Kotoko fans abaso se abreni abrebia no omo support nkokra enso ematim no na ogusu ese fans se abreni abrebia se Kotoko team no ebegiamu na ye baba ya ranko a obesese ya obi a enso enyado ye bia no beta team na chi.
Yeah, sure. I mean, sometimes when we come in, the numbers are less. It's more or less doesn't give us that morale. Typical of Kotoko supporters, when they are around and they are supporting you, you can feel it. So it has not been good if they don't come. So we just have to come. They need to come in their numbers. The team is winning, so they need to come in their numbers. Maybe today was a midweek. That's why we didn't see the numbers, because against true democracy, they came in their numbers. So maybe because today is a midweek, I'm sure subsequently on the weekend, the numbers will soar, it will rise. So they've been doing well. That one, from Obuasi to this place, the supporters have been fantastic. And I'm hoping and praying that they keep supporting us till we play the last game of the season.